Good morning, you guys. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another episode of More Mau. I was dying to say this. I was dying to vlog, you guys. And my skin and my hair, I know I'm gonna say this in all of my videos at least for a month, that my hair and my skin has gone for a toss, but that's true. Look at this. I've got a pimple here, blackheads are growing. I never used to get blackheads, but it's obvious because jo bhi hua August mein, I was not even washing my face, you know. So like, yeah, I had expected it. AC की हवा ले रही हूँ टी-शर्ट में. Okay, so I've just washed my hair with my new favorite, that is Matrix range now. Oh my god, you guys, that shampoo just gives you a smooth and straight look. I am just loving that shampoo. A lot of the people are like, oh, it's sponsored. Yes, I know it's sponsored. I write it myself in the description box because there's nothing to hide. I am proud to work with prestige brands. So a lot of people are like, so Vedix is better or Matrix is better? Both of them have different purposes. This is my job to tell you guys different ranges for different purposes, so you can invest in whatever you like. I am testing a lot of hair care products. Rather, I have a hair mask which I will give my opinion about. I have still not properly tested it, and a serum which I tested again, which is like an all-in-one thing. Uska video I have already shot, but that is gonna go up pretty late in the month. तो आज का प्लान ये है. I don't know why I'm standing or half sitting like this, but after I style my hair, after I do my skincare, I'm gonna shoot a video for YouTube. It's a clothing haul. It's a mixed clothing haul. Ajio है, Max है, Myntra भी है शायद, and all of that. Why is my voice breaking? तो आज ही shoot, edit, post. It's gonna be a long day, so I thought why not vlog side by side. And tomorrow I'm gonna go out, like I have to buy a certain things, so we'll continue the vlog tomorrow as well. The nose strip is off. Moisturization is extremely important, especially after you have removed your blackheads or anything on your nose. The pores are wide open, so you have to use a moisturizer to shut them down, or you can use a toner as well. I'm using the Clinique Moisture Surge. Oh, by the way guys, I got Clinique ka PR. Can you even like beat that? So whenever I get PR, I generally know कि मुझे कौन सा PR आने वाला है, because they ask for my address and all. But yeah, I had no clue. Okay, so Purple just sent them over and I was so happy. This was all possible because of you guys. I mean, this was like my dream 3 years ago when I started to work with big brands. Anyway, I'm gonna walk you through the products that I've got. It's not sponsored by Clinique, just by the way. So Purple has their new luxe store called Splurge, and look at the packaging. It's purple first of all. So ये purple potli में मेरे को दो है potlis, one more is there. So I got the products in this, and there is this purple Splurge written on the ribbon. So the first product is obviously this. So I am using this from past 1 week non-stop, and it doesn't even look as if, you know, ये खत्म होने वाला है, but you get a lot of quantity. So if you want to invest in this thing, please do that. Dry skin girls, just buy this already. And other goodies I will just show you guys. So all of these are best sellers. Okay, so this one is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I have still not used it. I'm gonna use it today. This is Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15. I've got both the shades, so yeah. And then we have a kajal, and then the last thing is the lipstick, which I'm really excited to try. This is the Even Better Pop Lip Color in the shade 24 Embrace Me. So basically Purple Splurge is like a luxury store on Purple where you'll get all luxe brands, and they have a bunch of offers running on Clinique. I'll be leaving all the details of the offers in the description box below. I also have a coupon code, so don't forget to check the description box out. Sort of blow dry our hair with this brush. This is by Alan Truman, and this is their blow dry brush. Half of my makeup is done, and I just realized that I think I should experiment with my backdrop. So I always sit there on my bed. Do not mind the mess on the bed. But जुगाड़ करके मैंने यहाँ पे नया backdrop लगाया है, and I'm thinking to add fairy lights to it. Now I don't know how to do that. I've got new fairy lights, so yeah.
एक और चाहिए दिखने का है?
नहीं ठीक है, मेरा एनर्जी खत्म हो गया, नॉट इवन स्टार्टेड।
और पीछे कर सकते हैं, ऐसा बोल रही हूँ मैं।
2 hours later.
This is what my foot looks like. This is the injured one, and पूरा उसका छिलके निकल रहे हैं, and it gets so red and swollen. Look at this foot and look at this one. Hi you guys, I'm eating papad. It's almost 9 o'clock. I had my dinner, but I don't know why I'm eating papad right now. My mom just gave me some eating. New video is uploaded. I was editing the whole day, that's why I didn't vlog. If you're wondering what are these marks, this is a mask that I've put for my potential pimples. There's nothing to vlog as such, so I'm going to see you tomorrow, because right now I'm watching a Netflix series called Away. It's a new series all about space. I'm on the last episode, so yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Guys, मेरे jeans lose हो रही है. I've lost so much weight. 6 महीने बाद I'm sitting in the car with this guy.
Hi.
People forgot you. They don't know who this person is.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
So right now we are going to the mall because we need a lot of saman. So Maddie and I are planning a video which you guys will know about very soon. तो उसके लिए मेरे को सामान चाहिए, तो अभी उसका ही काम करने जा रहे हैं. We'll get the सामान and we have to do packing and courier that thing to her. So वो हम गाड़ी में बैठ के करेंगे. मैंने सारा खाना लाया हुआ है. Not eating outside food. I've got साबूदाना खिचड़ी. Cool. I'm actually scared to enter the mall. बट जो हमें सामान चाहिए वो अंदर ही मिलेगा, बाहर कहीं नहीं मिल रहा है, ऑनलाइन भी नहीं मिल रहा है. सो या आई विल कैच यू गाइस वंस आई एंटर द मॉल. ओके, सो वी आर मेकिंग अ लिस्ट सो दैट हम जाके फटाक से सामान लेके बाहर आ जाए, टाइम पास ना हो. सो अभी हम लिस्ट बना रहे हैं. पहले तो हैव टू गो टू बिग बाजार, हैव टू गो टू मिनीसो एंड दैट्स इट. नो या सो मिनीसो से जो जो सामान चाहिए वो लिख रहे हैं, और बिग बाजार से लेना है क्योंकि आई एम डूइंग अ फूड चैलेंज ऑन द मेन चैनल, जो पता चल जाएगा आपको. बट आई हैव गॉट समथिंग फॉर साहिल विच आई हैड बॉट लाइक इन अप्रैल, जो मैं उसको अभी दे दूँ. ठीक है,
What?
आंखें बंद कर.
पूरा फेस बंद हो गया.
और एक है.
What is this?
1 2
Bath and
3.
Body Works का. Oh.
Bath and Body Works. He has never tried Bath and Body Works, so I got the men's
I've tried
collection
yours
for
only.
him. Yeah.
तेरा.
I used this by the way. मैंने एक बार यूज
शाबाश.
कर लिया. मेरी जीन्स नीचे आ रही है गाइस. क्या सॉलिड पचका हो रहा है. देयर इज नथिंग, सब खाली है.
Look how frustrated Mao
बहुत
is.
बीटी हो रहा है गाइस. देयर इज नथिंग यार. बहुत बीटी हो रही है.
Hi guys, how are you? Missed you. So how do you feel you're going to a happy place?
पैंट नीचे आ रही है. ढूंढ कहाँ है नायका का स्टोर.
नहीं है.
अरे है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो
नहीं
है नायका स्टोर. अभी मेरा तो क्या देगा.
है.
हाँ, अपडेट यू गाइज, वी जस्ट पैक्ड द बॉक्सेस एंड साहिल इज गोना डू द कुरियर का काम. अभी मेरा सर बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, सो ही इज गॉटन डाउन टू गेट विक्स इनहेलर एंड सम मोर थिंग्स विच वी डिडंट फाइंड एनीवेयर एल्स. सो या, एंड माई फुट हैज स्टार्टेड पेनिंग बिकॉज मॉल में मैं थोड़ा सा चला एंड देन माई फुट हैज स्टार्टेड पेनिंग अगेन. सो या, दैट्स द अपडेट. अरे यार, व्हाई
जाओ.
2 hours later.
I've had my dinner and stuff and I'm actually panicking because tomorrow is the day when I'm gonna film the food challenge and half of the items, as you half नहीं, मुझे 80% items नहीं मिले बिग बाजार में, as you guys saw in this vlog. So I ended up ordering from Big Basket, but उसका डिलीवरी दोपहर को है, तो I think दोपहर तक I'm gonna be hungry. Let's see how the challenge goes. Fingers crossed. That's it. Hi guys, it's the next morning. Food challenge has already started. और सिर्फ आधा सामान आया है घर पे. And I made a mistake, like I feel yesterday, because I walked so much. I didn't think कि like my leg is still not recovered. I was like, yeah, I'm good to go. And after I came back home रात को, my mom was literally putting oil all over my legs and like, you know, giving me a massage because my foot was hurting so bad and was swollen. But I'm good. I'm fine right now, and because I have to focus on the food challenge now, I think I'm gonna end the vlog because दो चीज़ें एक साथ नहीं हो पाएंगी. So I'm gonna end the vlog. I hope you guys liked this video, and yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.
Macarena, hey, Macarena, 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 hey, put the chopper on.